Macau, a special administrative region located on the coast of southern China, is famous for its unique geographical location, rich history and culture, and diverse economic activities. This special administrative region, with a land area of only 33.3 square kilometers, is one of the most densely populated regions in the world, with a total population of 686,600 as of the end of the third quarter of 2024. Macau has a subtropical monsoon climate. It is humid all year round, with an annual average relative humidity of 80% and an annual precipitation of 2,031 millimeters. A humid climate has a certain impact on health. Humid environment is prone to the growth of bacteria and mold, which may cause respiratory diseases and skin problems. In addition, a humid environment may increase the breeding of mosquitoes, thereby increasing the risk of infectious diseases. The seafood catering and related industries in this area generate a large amount of shell waste every year. These catering wastes take up a lot of landfill space and cause resource waste. At the same time, the shellfish farming industry also faces the problem of lack of marine calcium. To address this problem, we proposed an innovative solution, transforming shell waste from the catering industry into functional products. Shell powder has the function of dehumidification. Our project is to grind the shells into powder and use biocement technology to develop a recyclable product. This product uses shell powder to replace traditional ceramic raw materials to make a hyperbolic dehumidification box. After use, these dehumidification boxes can be used as shellfish attachment beds in the aquaculture industry. Our design concept is based on three core principles: circular economy, sustainable design, and social value. In terms of circular economy, we transform catering waste into functional products so that they can continue to serve the fishery after use, forming a complete resource recycling chain. In terms of sustainable design, we use biocement technology to reduce environmental impact, while ensuring that the process is simple and easy for coastal fishing villages and fishermen to make. In terms of social value, we are committed to creating new economic value for fishing villages and enhancing the enthusiasm of fishermen to participate in environmental protection. This biocement product has a microporous structure and is mainly composed of calcium carbonate, which can regulate small-scale changes in indoor air humidity. Experiments have shown that humidity can drop from 81% to 74% within 15 minutes.